looking to your right, can see the love restrained. But only when I hold you, so you know I feel the same. Nothing lasts forever, and they won't know how it can change. And it's hard to hold a candle in the cold November rain. We've been through this just a long, long time, just trying to kill the pain. Love is always coming, love is always going. No one really sure who's letting go today. We're walking away. If you think the time's too late on the line, I can rest my head just knowing that you're on mine. All mine. So if you want to love me, then darling, don't be strange. Well, I'm just a walking in the cold November rain. Do you need some time on your own? So you need some time all alone. Ooh, everybody needs some time on their own. Ooh, don't you need some time all alone? I know it's hard to keep on moving on. Seem out to harm you, but if you could heal a broken heart, wouldn't time be out to charm you? Sometimes I need some time on my own. Sometimes I need some time all alone. Ooh, everybody needs some time on their own. Ooh, don't you need some time all alone? Fears subside, shadows still remain. Yeah. I know that you can love me when there's no one left to blame. So never mind the darkness, we still can find
don't know